I have Dawn Ultra Platinum Power Wash. Now, this product from Dawn, it's supposed to be the new wave of washing dishes by hand. Now, I have a lot of crud on my pan right here. Let's try to saute some vegetables, and you see it didn't work out too well, I guess. Looks like the vegetables are still stuck on the pan. Now, it's a lot of crud on there, a lot of grease. Now, basically with Dawn Power Wash, you spray it on and you wipe it up. But they recommend if you have a lot of crud like I do, spray it on and wait a few minutes and it should come up. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to spray it on and I'm going to wait a little bit more than a few minutes to see what this does. All right, so let's see about this. All right, so I sprayed it on, waited about 15 minutes, and supposedly I'm supposed to wipe and it's supposed to come clean after I rinse, but as you see right here, that it did not work as planned. All right, so you see there's a lot of crud, a lot of things that are stuck on the pan right here, and it's actually going to require a little bit of elbow grease to actually get it off. So I'm going to bring out the big boy tools right here. You see this right here? This is a scrub, a dish scrub, that I'm using to get some of the crud that is on there. Now, I would think that, this would get it off, by just spraying it and then wiping it up, but it does take a little bit of soaking action if you have a lot of crud on there. So I'm just trying to rinse it off right now so you can see right here. And majority of the grease and stuff that was on there has come off of the pan, but there's still a couple of specks on there that's going to take a little bit of elbow grease. So with using this, I guess that if you have normal stains on the dish, normal grease on the dish, you could spray it on with the power wash and it should come off. However, if you have deep down, I don't know what you call it, crud on a pan like I did, it may take a little bit more of a soaking action in order to remove what the Dawn Power Wash says it's supposed to do. So either let it soak a little bit longer or spray some of the Dawn Power Wash on and let it soak, and that should be able to bring up some of the crud that was stuck on. As you can see, I'm still scratching some of the crud off in order to get the pan clean, and there it is. Most of the crud is off. There's some stainage going on the pan right there, but that's typical of stainless steel pans. That doesn't quite make sense, because if it's stainless steel, why does it have a stain on there? But anyway, I think the power wash works pretty well on normal jobs. If you have crud like I do, it may take a little bit more soaking action, but overall I think it may be the job.